Okie dokie. This will be the final stream. Well, developing this game, of course, there'll be other streams. So, something I noticed right when I stopped streaming last time is that I'd accidentally only put one down here. I fixed it already, but I only put one down here, and so it's going left, and it's leaving a gap, so you could just go straight through to the exit. Whoops. But I fixed that. Oh, and that's what was causing... I was noticing when it got here that I felt like the timing wasn't really working out. But the reason was because it was going down 1, then trying to go up 3, and the third up there wouldn't work. So one of the turns didn't happen, so that was messing with the timing. So that's what was going on there. Okay, so the only thing I want to do is sound. I did a tiny bit of research into like... If you load a bunch of sounds, because I do know you can load sounds as like just like a new audio or something like that, audio elements or something, and then you can say play on them and it'll play them. But I was thinking like, oh, but how do you make it so that, like, what's the proper way of being able to say play the sound and then play the sound again and have them like overlap with each other? Like if you've got one sound, you want to play it twice, because the audio, whatever it is that I was mentioning, just you can press play on it, but it's like a track. It's a track that you can play, you can stop, you can take back to the beginning, but you can't like overlap it with itself. It's just one track. So how do I like have an audio track that I can like play a sound on as many times as I like, whenever I like? And apparently the thing I need is called audio context. It does all sorts of things. You can create oscillators. So I think if I did this, I'd get just like a sine wave, like a beep. Beep. Should we find out? Let's try it. Let's do it up here. Well, let's do it even further up when we're loading the sprite sheet and all that. I'm not going to shorten context. Audio context. Oscillator nodes. Let's just do exactly what the example code is doing, just to understand how this works. I also noticed that the examples that I saw earlier also had to create a gain node. I understand what we're doing. We're creating a graph of like this. This produces an oscillation. This increases the gain, etc. But in what way does it increase the gain? Or does it? Like, I'm not specifying how much to increase the gain here, at least. Like, does that do anything by itself? No, it does not do anything by itself. It does say etc. at the end. Is there like a... Do you have to start it or something? Wait, am I actually running the... No, it must be because I've loaded the game. Yeah. Okay. Let's read this thing. Thanks, Boris. Audio context. So this is kind of what I saw earlier, which is about decoding audio from a file and then playing them. Create buffer source. So this is to create my own sound. I just want to understand, is there anything I have to do to get this to play? No? Where did they first use destination here? Source connect destination. Note on. Okay. Why is it called note on? I mean, let's turn the music off. Let's have a no music stream. There's no sound, right? Definitely not. Do we get anything in the... Oh, I can't open the DevTools anymore because I disabled context menus. We can turn that off. Nothing. Audio context was not allowed to start, must be resumed after a gesture on the page. Oh, okay, yes. So, audio context. I do have a thing which is like inputs. Initial input. Yeah, we can do it here. Resume. We're going to get a beeping noise? No. Is it called resume? It must be, otherwise that wouldn't have worked. Go back to that. I think it was called resume. Yeah. Do I have to resume other things? Like, so when I say like create oscillator, we might need to find the... actually, so I am calling that on the audio context. That's not listed here. Base audio context, sure, it inherits from something else. Oh, so you might have to start the oscillator. Oscillator node, start. Still nothing. Do you have to start like all of them? Gain node start. Oh, I should turn off production build. It makes it really slow. Where's my thing? Terminal. There it is. Okay. Okay, now we get errors. Yeah, okay, so gain node. That makes sense. There is no gain. Sorry, the gain node just works. Regardless, let's close a bunch of files here. Okay, I closed one. Yeah, that's not a thing either. I think that just starts by default. Maybe I have to set... So oscillator connect. That's interesting. Here we just said... Wait, what is... Okay. Wait. Did I copy the example wrong? Doesn't look right. Yeah, it doesn't look like I've connected anything up. Okay, what is finish? Okay, so oscillator node connect to audio context destination. Do we need the gain? Okay, we have a thing. That sounds lovely. Stop. Okay. So gain node. Okay, so have a look at you. Okay, so sure, I can probably, what I'm going to guess I can do is I can connect that to gain node. Do I have to say like, so when I connect an audio node, destination can be a node itself. Okay. So I want to do oscillator connected to gain node connected to the destination, and I want to set gain node gain equals like -20. Okay, so setter and a getter, I guess. Oh, do you pass something to create gain? No. Am I misunderstanding what the gain node would do? No, I'm not misunderstanding it. Gain node gain set value at time. Okay. I'm just gonna assume that things I do are fine. At time 0, audio context, current time. Okay. Oh, so 0 gain? 1. Okay. Oh, maybe so. Oh, so it's like a logarithmic scale between 0 and 1. I think. Gain no dot gain. Gain no dot gain. Okay, it's an audio param. It's an A rate audio param. Okay. Okay. I mean, we're about to put channel count to whatever. It's fine. So let's stop that sound. So I can affect the gain of the sound if I want to. There we go. Okay. I should have just stopped the oscillator nodes. Well, in fact, I'm not sure whether that was actually necessary. It wasn't. It's interesting that that was starting without my input though, wasn't it? Yes. Even though I haven't clicked press resume. So now it's allowed for whatever reason. Who knows? Okay. So now to make sounds. Now there's the thing about loading a buffer. So I need like an audio buffer source node. Should we make a sound? How do I make sounds? Should we use the same thing that PuzzleScript uses? SFX or JSFX? Okay. Sure, I think we should just use this. But I gotta find sounds that work well. So let's find a little jump sound, I guess. There's also the sound for this, which is going to be like, need to make it not too harsh because. Which would want to? I mean, so there's a jump thing here. Something like that. I want something deeper. Oh, I guess I can. Yeah. Sure. Now I think I have my volume fairly high, and I think I have the audio in YouTube Music turned down quite a lot. Yeah, I do. So I think like probably the sound it's at, it's actually quite a normal volume. In fact, it's applying a gain. I wonder is that? I mean, let's download this file. Okay, where did that go? To my downloads folder. Yes. And then put it in my game folder, dist. Okay, there it is. Can I play it in here? No, I can just read the hex. All right. So maybe on here it'll have the example code for loading a file. Okay. There's an example here, apparently. Audio buffer source node. So the WAV. So they're using fetch. Yeah, I could do that, I guess. So, and there's an await. Okay, we got to do some async stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a load image. Am I going to do this? Yes, I am. Load image, URL, and that's going to do this. URL is going to go here. And then we're going to do. So, well, okay, what we're actually going to do is we're going to make this a promise-based function, and we're going to use promises for both of the things. Which way around do they go? Promise constructor. Resolve reject, yeah. Resolve reject. We're then going to do this inside here. We are then going to say spreadsheet onload. Resolve. Resolve with the image. I guess I'll just pass that. That's fine. Okay. And is there a image MDN? Is there a, like, I could use fetch here as well, but whatever, this is working. So there's an onload. What if there's like an error? Image onload error. There is an on error. Okay, spreadsheet on error. Reject. Does it include, is there any like message or anything? On error. It looks like it probably contains an event of some sort, so we'll include that in the reject. Okay, so then load image. Sprite sheet, await, load image, sprite sheet, the PNG. Then we can just get rid of this. We can get rid of this. And we can just do this. To where? To there. Okay. Promise-based interfaces are quite nice. I know they're a bit confusing to learn, but it is nice that I can now just say, oh wait, sprite sheet, and it's just not going to go to this code until this is finished. I mean, it might not work right now. It won't. Oh, because this is not an async function. There we go. Oh, sprite is not defined. There we go. Cool, that worked. So then we're also going to have load audio, which is gonna do, I had the example here, didn't I? Oh, load audio. So that's just gonna do const response equals await fetch URL const buffer. That does not say response. It's nothing like response. equals await audio. Oh, I need the audio context. Interesting. That's fine. Audio context, decode audio data, await response array buffer. So I guess the response is body as an array buffer. I guess I'll do the same stuff here. Looks like it sets the time. Oh, that's for looping? I might not need that. So in which case I'm just going to return buffer. Okay, then we're going to do jump sounds, load audio, jump.wav. And then we're going to follow the other stuff from over here. So they're creating their own buffer here. So that's an array buffer. So if I follow what we do with that, maybe it's not quite. Get channel data, create buffer source. This is what I want, I think. I'm pretty sure. So we'll see if it works. Let's not do any of this until after. Oh, hold on. So first I have to pass audio context to here. I could do these in parallel, which I might do afterwards. So we're not waiting for that to load, then waiting for that to load, etc. To fetch them all at the same time. But what we'll do is we'll load the things. We're not going to have an oscillator. We might want a gain node. Let's set up the gain node. Then let's just set up, let's connect the gain node to the thing. We're going to say audio context, create buffer source, jump sound source, jump sound source dot buffer equals jump sound. So jump sound source connect to gain node. So then, let's see what happens if I say jump sound source start. I hear the sound, but only on a refresh. Oh, I see what's happening because it's doing the live refresh. It's counting as I've already connected. Okay. Okay, cool. And so if I were to do, let's just set this up properly. So we've got jump sound source start. So what I could do, maybe I should just add an audio thing. Like an audio class. Instead of passing these sounds around everywhere. Okay, we'll do it. Audio.js. Class audio. Tab size 2. Indent using spaces. Class audio. Which is going to take, it's going to do a lot of this setup. Should I just make it load the sounds as well? Like load the audio? Oh, but I want to do them in parallel. Which I can do. kinda. I can by doing what we're actually going to export is a function called init audio, which is going to do some of this stuff. That's going to be export async function, load audio, and then return new audio. So still like this for now. New audio. Jump sound. This dot jump sound equals jump sound, and then should we call it jump audio? Where's the other code then? So there's audio context. That needs to be first. We'll also pass that in. This the audio context. We're then going to do this stuff in here. Okay. That's fine. Then we have a function called jump. Let's keep it simple. This dot jump sounds. Jump source. Call it. Which is going to do that. Okay. So then what we're going to do is init audio here, which returns that, yeah. Audio, await, init audio. Init audio from audio. Load audio is not defined. Load audio. Oh, true. Jump sound is not defined because I changed it to this jump audio. Okay, audio context is not defined somewhere. In load audio? No. Oh, and tick. Right. Audio resume. This the audio context resume. There's another one somewhere. Audio context is not. Oh, I didn't save. That's why. Okay, so then here we say audio jump. Cool. So then we can pass that to physics. Why do we call the physics stuff? It's here. Audio. Should we do it what the physics says? Maybe. Yeah, I think so. Physics audio. So then jump. Yeah, here. Audio jump. Oh, gotta wait for the cutscene. That's the problem with adding cutscenes. They get in the way. Can't call stop more than once. Okay. play. Okay, we're going to do audio context, play sound more than once. Overlapping. This is, I think, the thread that I found earlier when I was looking, doing some research. Oh no, yeah, and then somebody linked to a different answer, which was better. Yeah, cool. Play sound. It looks like they create a, oh, okay, so it's a bit different. You create a different buffer source each time. Is that an issue? Maybe not. That's probably fine, actually. So, when we jump, let's make another function called play sound. Audio. Play sound, audio. And so this is going to say play sound this.jump audio. And then this is going to say this stuff. And therefore we're going to have to say this.gain node. I don't know whether I need the gain node, but whatever. This.gain node. This.jump source. At this point, this doesn't need to be this. Const jump source. Oh, it's not even jump source anymore. It's just source. So in fact, that should just be audio source. Connect this gain node. Yeah. I think. Let's see what happens. Play sound is not defined, of course. This.play sound. I'll wait for that intro again. If I knew I was going to be spending more time with this, I would make a thing to just cut out the intro, but it's not going to be spending that much more time with it. So, well, your context is not defined. Yes. Should have just double checked. Okay. Now I'm wishing I removed the intro. All right, down, jump. Okay, let's remove, like if we just set that to 1, which I guess is the default, it's gonna be pretty loud, I think. I'll wait for it. I mean, it's fine. Do I want like a more subtle sound? How else can I like mess about with this? Well, the attack sound just make it, yeah. Okay. I put that back to 0. Oh no. Oh no. There's no like reset. No, I can't put a number in. I mean, it's close enough, I guess. It's just got like that high pitch bit at the end. That's fun. Okay. Okay. Is that the lowest? No. Okay. That just makes it sound like it's underwater. That sounds like we're hearing it over a radio. Okay. Do I want such a... It's a bit like... It's a bit much. Let's just keep trying it's doing... I actually wanted to start with that, like there was a short one there. Like that, okay, short. That might be better. Place. Okay. It's gonna be fairly loud. Okay, let's do the push sound. Maybe like an explosion? Like you could see how some of these are close to a kind of push. Give me slightly more attack. Decay, shorter. It's not terrible. We can always work on them afterwards. So that shouldn't be called explosion, it should be called push. Push. Okay. So we want push audio, push.wav. I'm going to pass that in as well. Just pass in all the audio files. Push audio. Let's push audio. And then we're going to have a jump, well, a push, which passes push audio instead. So then in rules, how do we know when a push is happening? It's like down here somewhere. That's entering. This is pushing, yeah. Yep, for sure. So we're going to have audio push here. Therefore we need to pass that into here. Apply rules, audio. Okay, let's see what happens. La 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 la. I mean, it's all right. I think it needs to be more... Hold on, let's do a low pass filter on it. And also make it last longer? Ooh. It's a bit... What's sliding right now? There's something that's sliding. That's not. That's sweeping. Oh. I don't just want a low pass filter, I want like a... I want a kind of slowness. Not so much like graveliness. Where does the graveliness come from? Is it just this? It's from that. Okay. Let's try something like that. Push. Okay. Oh, didn't reload. Okay. Too much like, yeah, of the decay. Okay, let's try it again. Download, explosion, push. Fresh. Okay. Maybe I should turn up this. Whatever, it's done now. Sounds alright. When they land, should they make a noise? Maybe. That should obviously make a noise. I mean, when I land, should they make a noise? Hold on. What's my push sound like? My push sounds like that. That sounds alright. So we can call that rock, block fall. Block fall. So then we add that to our audio thing. Block fall audio. Block fall. Which, I mean, I could have made this simpler, sort of. I could have like named them, and then this just does it by name or whatever. But whatever. Block fall audio. This block fall. That's really the landing sound, but whatever. Block fall. Block fall audio. Okay, so that needs to happen in a very interesting place, which is after a fall. I don't just want to do it when the animation ends, because the animation might get skipped. No, the animation can't get skipped, actually. So maybe I should do it when the animation ends. Because I'll know, right? I'll know based on the tween. This is definitely hacky, but yes, if t is 1, if animation tween equals gravity, so this is going to end up playing too much. So, but block fall, because each one will make a sound, maybe? Without Interpolate Visuals is now taking the audio interface. Perfect. Beautiful. It's like part of the animation system, right? Why was there no sound when they jumped over it? Or did they just fall to the side of it? Maybe they did. Oh. Audio is not defined? Didn't I just... Oh. Audio. Okay. Yeah, I think I did this. Yeah. Oh, I mean, it was just doing it. I didn't even think about it. Okay, cool. What about if I push 2 blocks at the same time, though? They're going to make... I'm going to hear 2 of it. I mean, that sounds fine. It gets louder. I mean, I don't really want it to get louder, do I? I mean, they're all going to hit 1 at the same time, so I can just say let playing block fall false, and then it's true. Okay, let's see how that sounds. Okay, gotta wait. Obviously that needs to sound when I leave and all that stuff. Cool. Do we want screen shake when things hit the ground? Okay, yeah, that sounds like it's just 1 now. Cool. So next, the sound of the plant growing, I guess. If it is a plant anymore. Oh, that's cool. So you can do the slight variations. Okay. Not sure why I keep going to explosion sounds. Okay, I think that's ended up. I think the mutations ended up like capping out somewhat. Like it's like ended up hitting the end of a bunch of things, and now it's not varying very much because it probably randomly picks whether to slide something left or right. And if it's at the end, then shifting in a certain direction is not going to do anything. What kind of sound do I even want? I do think I want something explosiony because we're like making a path through the rock. So maybe. Something, I guess. Needs to be short sounds. I mean, it could also be like a jump kind of sound. Like maybe all the player sounds should be kind of jumpy, and then all the other things should be like that. Oh, it's going to be so much at the start. It just needs to be a really like... but like softer. Oh gosh, if you leave the screen and come back, it goes really fast. I mean, let's put a sound in and then just hear what it sounds like. It'll sound awful, but it's worth us trying. Grow. So add. Grow. Grow audio. Pass that along. Add that here. Well, add that here first. And add that here. And then add grow. And then grow. Grow audio. So that'll be in rules. It's actually near the top, isn't it? All the growing stuff. Plant move. There's any of these, I think. Sorry, normal movements, automated movements. But yeah, any of these. Console, what are we doing now? Audio, grow. Okay, let's try a different thing. At least I can hear this one immediately. It needs to be like I don't know. Less like How do I make it less Well, yeah, with more attack. But I can't have too much because then the sound just ends up too long. Um, There's like a dun 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 dun. Where does that come from? I guess from that. I mean, nothing's going to sound amazing, is it? So. What? 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 It's going to be a kind of jump sound. Just a different one. I think maybe like slightly longer. And then slide further. It's kind of similar, it's just high pitch. No. Emerge. How does one? Oh yeah, okay. Emerge audio. Oh. No, come on. Merge. Merge. Oh. It's definitely getting a bit unwieldy. I didn't realize I'd have so many sounds. No sound at all. Why? Have I not saved something? Oh, because I'm not actually playing it, of course. Rules. Isn't it like lower down or something? No, it must be up there. Plant move. Turn around. It's here. Audio. Merge. Okay. That sound needs to change. There we go. the only other sound I'm going to need is to enter, right? Oh, it's going the wrong way. I should probably do a landing sound as well. Should it be the same sound as the... No, it should be a bit different. Interesting. What's that happen? What sound is that? Let's do a thing in here where I say play sound, console log, playing. If I were doing it by name, this would be easier, wouldn't it? Maybe I should just do it. Okay. Audio. Jump. Oh, but I wanted to do. Promise all object values. Yeah, I have to do some hacky stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, I mean, let's still do it. Promise to all. I think you pass an array to promise, an array to promise all, or yeah, you do. And then you just pass it promises. So jump audio, push audio, block fall, grow, and then merge. We await that to get we could now put them in a thing, I guess. So then the only stuff I have to edit down here. I mean, it's better than nothing. Push. Is it better than nothing? I don't know. Push audio. Block fall audio. No, block fall. What am I doing? Block fall audio. Grow audio. Merge audio. Now these will get loaded in parallel at this point, which is nicer. So then we'll call that audio. Say this audio, this. Like maybe I should just change all these to jump, push, block, fall, grow, emerge, play sounds, we'll do a name, playing audio name, that's going to be this dot audio name. Okay, then anytime I was doing audio dot play sound, block fall. Audio dots. Is there only two there? Summon rules. Play sound. Emerge. Play sound. Grow. Play sound. Push. And there's one in physics as well. Yep. Play sound, jump. Okay, does that work? No, audio is not defined where. In here. Oh, wait, what? Oh. Okay. Okay. Definitely need to change that one. It's a lot. Seems to work. What was I doing that for? Oh, so I could. Oh yeah, so I could figure out what was going on when I get squished. Playing push, playing jump, playing jump, push, block fall. Okay. Block fall is happening a lot. Okay. Got it. Understood. Okay. Yes. Because that animation stays at T1 for that entire time. I'm honestly just going to say animation complete equals true. Not animation complete. I think that'll fix it. Yep. There we go. Ba-ding. Okay. So the next sound I want, well, maybe we should update this one. I wonder if I should stop the timer while that's happening. Nah, who cares? Maybe I should just do a more jumpy sounds. Maybe. See how that sounds. Grow. Ooh, it's a click now. It's gonna be hard to find a sound that sounds good playing that fast, really. I just need a really like a very, very short. Yeah, maybe we'll just do something like that. Grow. Face. It's gonna be somebody who like plays this in a room with loads of people in it. It's just like a That's what you get for playing a game with your sound up. Can I make it a little more... I don't know. Less like... Yeah, just the end. It's like... This started off as a jump sound, now it sounds much more like a explosion sound. Oops, renamed it incorrectly. Okay. I guess that's fine. Should we make a player lands on floor sounds? Okay, which could be similar to the rock sound, but like kind of shorter. Is there any way to like take an existing sound that I already created? Should have done this. I would have been able to get it back. I don't think I can get it back now from the original sound. No, can't work backwards from the audio file. Oh, I also just noticed, yeah, these. Okay, explosion. Okay. player fall. Player fall. Go there. We add it to here. Add it to here. And then we can just say, so it's here, isn't it? That's okay. That's if we last ground position, play jumping deux. So I think it's here, right? So it's going to be, but I only want to do it if the player speed is like higher than something. Player velocity y is greater than 5, for example. Audio, play sound, player fall. So slightly more manageable sounds. Still nothing. Like, what kind of velocity do we even get to? Console log player velocity y. Is that because I'm setting player velocity already at this point? So this is actually happening all the time. Yeah, okay. This is not when I land. And my velocity's already been set at this point, maybe, by something. Yeah, okay. What if I store like further up, like full velocity, player velocity y. That should make a copy of it. Then full velocity and that, and we do that earlier, like here. Yeah, okay. So it's similar to the start of that. Okay, so that's fast enough to make that sound. Oh. Even that's fast enough to make that sound. Okay. I mean, I probably should log. That's probably about right. Sure, okay. Squish sounds. Um, we'll see. We'll see. Squish. Audio. Squish audio. Oh, no. Squish audio. Squish. Squish. Squish audio. Is that everything? And then in rules, squish is down here. This is it. I think. No, that's end. That's push to enter. Squish is here. Audio, play sound, squish. Oh, no. Okay. Sounds good. That needs to happen at a different point. When the squish goo animation starts. Okay. So that's the delay here. Okay. Squish seconds. Hold on. That's the squish goo. Squish seconds. Yeah, sure. Or when that starts, object type squish. Okay. Sure. But not at the, it needs to be at the beginning of it. But it only needs to happen once. Animation complete is not going to mean what I wanted it to mean. Sound played. There we go. Then if animation object types equals squish and not animation sound played, do that plus say that. Yeah, that. Okay. Oh, Should I say... Yeah, because all that's going to happen there is... Well, okay, so I can say if timestamp... Timestamp, well, and timestamp greater than or equal to animation timestamp. Okay. Okay. I'll do. Will it do? Hold on. I feel like it should go down in pitch. Sure. Did that just download again? Squish. Place. So we've got a merge, but we don't have an enter, do we? Can we just use the same one? Not really. So that's what merge sounds like. It's kind of opposite of a merge. Hmm? Hmm. That's pretty close. This is too... This has become like an explosion sound. Clearly got some vibrato on that. I can't get it. Does that not have any vibrato? Maybe it doesn't. Oh gosh, it's so difficult. Oh. I don't know what sound I started with, to be honest. Definitely not one of these. What I'm thinking about now is the ending sound. Trying lots of noises. Oh my gosh! I just need to pick a sound and then I'm done. It doesn't have to sound like the opposite of the emerge sound, really, does it? I mean, what if it just sounds the same? What if I just say, if we're entering, which happens at the end of here, it's here, then we audio play sounds emerge. What happens in that case? Let's have a look. The opposite would sound great. Only I could find that sound. It's got some vibrato there. No, that sounds good. Ah. I mean, I could make a new emerge sound, I guess. That sounds close enough. Let's do that. That's going to be enter. We're going to add that to here, as we always do. Enter, enter, no. Enter audio. We're then going to say roles, enter. Okay. That sounds okay. That sounds good. It's interesting if you tap, it goes really fast. Whatever. Okay. So I want to find a better sound for that. What was my sound like for this? There's a sound at the beginning of this as well, a similar kind of thing. But not for as long, I don't think. Very soft. Yeah, it's a lot softer. Should we just do random? Where's the random? Is there a random? Yeah. Be right back. Okay, so I mean, how does it actually sound? A bit rubbish. Sure, let's keep doing random. You really get some weird sounds. No, that's not okay. Okay, hold on. Start with a jump. How do I make it less? That's harsh. They're all so harsh sounding. I mean, it's a lot of high pitched sounds. Maybe we just do like that. Oh gosh. Or we do like an explosion. With it needs to have some high pitchedness to it because of the character's jumping and everything. They all sound awful. I'm terrible at this. I mean, maybe this is fine. Maybe it's fine. Maybe I'll leave it like this and then we just find an ending sound. So weird. How have they ended up with that sound out of this? How are there like multiple sounds going on? I know sometimes it's the overlapping sounds that I'm playing one after the other. Interesting. That's all right. It's gone now, though. Should I just take a... Yeah. Yeah, let's just take that. Pick a coin. Lost the folder. Where is it? Here it is. I'm going to drive myself crazy looking for these sounds. Rename end.wav. End.wav. So then we're going to add that here. End.wav. End audio. That's the end of this list. Is that everything? I think so. And then when does it happen? When does it happen? So the renderer decides whether to render the thing at the end based on, I think it's here, yeah, state end. I want to play once only. When does that happen? When does the state change for? But that plays the whole thing. I'm just gonna say if this if game state the ending sound played, then audio play sound end game state ending sound played. It's true. Okay, and if that works, we're done. Despite the sound. Okay. We do this, that. There's no audio here. No, in the renderer, of course there's not. But I could pass it. I could pass it. Not to there. Or to there. Sure, why not? This audio equals audio. Renderer. Oh, maybe because... is the renderer even set up yet? That's fine. Yep, that works. Is that everything? The renderer has it there, so no, that's not quite right. Audio, audio, Vista audio. Okay, now I'm going to do it one more time. Okay. Push that over. I was thinking I could like attenuate the sound of the fall sound depending on the heights or whatever that it fell. I mean, it's fine. I like it as it was. All right. Now I'm just going to test out my phone, see how it comes out. So that means change this back to production. Oh, I'm going to have to commit all that. Git status, git add all this. Yeah, I guess so. Add sounds. Change this to production. I'm ready to move on. Compress into, oh no, wrong room number 9, I think it might be. Yep. Oh, I could have checked there again. Okay, itch, SFT rabbit, and then wrong room, published, delete file, oh no, wrong room 9. This will be playable in the browser, save. Check out my phone, I guess. And has the volume and everything. So my volume on my phone is kind of in the middle. Press any key or tap to start. There's no sound. Why? Oh, there was one other thing I wanted to change as well, I just remembered. No sound. I did just update, I think, and saved. Let's check it on here, I guess. Oh, I'm hungry as well. It's lunchtime. Yeah, no sound. Even though I definitely just uploaded it. Let's check the... I expect there to be errors if... Oh, wrong thing. They go away. Tools. Developer tools. It's not actually loading them. Hold on. But here it is, right? Network. Yep. Why is it not loading them? Because I didn't build. I didn't build, that's why. Okay. npm run build. Oh, I might as well change the other thing I wanted to change, which was the amount of required movement presses. It's too much. It stays around for far too long. I'll change it to 5. Less movement presses required to hide prompt. Git, that's already done. npm run build. Let me do it again. Those, that's compress. Oh no, wrong room. 10. And now they're out of order because I didn't expect to end up in double digits. Delete. Upload. This will be played in the browser. Okay, let's check it here first, I guess. Fresh. Playing the game for the first time. That seems to work. Let's look at my phone. See how this is. Okay. Got some very deep sounds, haven't I? I mean, this is fine. It's a shippable. Finished it. It's fine. That'll do. Finished it twice now. All right, I think that's the end. I think I'm not going to add any more. I mean, I could add the little speech bubble that says, oh no, wrong room. No. 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 I mean, or I could add it to the title screen. Oh no, wrong room. Partially tempted. No, it's fine. It's fine. We're going to stop here. All right. That is my game done. All righty, folks. Goodbye.